status.
Ah, dumped her. I'm all good though.
It's just the muddiest shit I've ever been in. Wow, that was straight quicksand.
Huh?
That was just straight quicksand.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I can smell your gas. There's definitely still options on the other side of that puddle. We can keep going if you want to go to the next one.
That's not as fun downhill.
No.
Yeah, I gotta learn to dump my bike more instead of try to save it with my arms. That's what's hurting my back.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like literally rotating your back forcefully.
Doing some good little turnaround though, clutch drops.
This thing's
Those are super
sweet.
handy.
Make the next right if you could. I don't know where you're at.
Right there?
Jesus Christ. That was the loudest freaking shit I've ever
You good,
heard in my
Matt?
ear. Wow, I'm glad I didn't try that. Fuck. Over here. Better. It's just a sweetheart. That was awkward. Oh yeah, bro, we gotta do that. It's totally cool back there.
So keep going?
Yeah, I'll show you the way out.
All right, hold up. Gotta do this little log climb.
Fucking hell yeah. You're like actually doing enduro looking things and I'm just an idiot on a fucking moon bike. I feel like I'm on the moon. It's just hilarious.
Oh. Woo!
Yeah.
That's slippery right there. That little piece of cardboard. Nice. Oh my god. Super slippery.
Soupy.
Yeah, my tires are just caked.
It gets better. This is the good spot. That log is slick as snot.
Yeah,
The leaves are slick as snot.
Yeah.
Everything's pretty fucking slick, to be honest with you. I think I went right here. Yeah, this is fine.
Oh my god.
You doing it?
So slippery. Yeah, I need to stop standing up, I think. When it's soupy, I need to just get my center of gravity down.
Yeah, shift the bike beneath you. You see how I just had to do that?
Yeah.
Wow, my mirror got fucked.
My head got fucked.
Don't look at the puddle with any sort of fear. Go left of this puddle if possible.
To the rut?
Oh, fuck you.
The puddle looks
no
pretty
foot.
tame, though. Jesus.
Oh, wow.
It's all good.
Don't worry about her. She's fine.
I dismounted better there. Just I let the hands go.
Yep.
Yeah, we did this hill climb before.
Yeah, well, we have to because, well, we could try that way, but I'm pretty sure that way's really bad.
It's all good.
Ready?
Yep, we've done this one. Nice. Alrighty.
I'll get out of your way when you get up
Oh, you're
here.
good. Ready?
Yeah.
Whole lot of gang shit, boy. Dude, I was like
Alright.
scared up here the last time we were up here.
Yeah, dude, I'm glad you remember that.
Ooh.
Okay. That was more aggressive than I thought it would be, but I survived.
Yeah, I'm straightening this one up.
This is so much fun back here. I like this little ride.
All right, let me put my goggles back on here.
Dope.
Maybe it's up here a little bit. Hold on, let me go ahead.
Yep. Are you talking about the one with the cardboard?
No, it was the one that hit me in the leg as I was driving past that I couldn't see.
Oh, you mean a long time ago?
Yeah. Big rock right there on the left.
Perfect.
You good? Yeah, sorry, I did not feel comfortable on that downhill yet.
All good, man.
Thanks for the heads up there. Jeez.
Hard mode.
Nice. There you go. There you go. There you go. We be dancing. We be dancing, my dude.
We're good. We're good.
Left. Yep.
Are we going straight here?
Yeah, go straight.
Holy
Yep.
fuck. All right.
Pretty rainy.
Dude, I know. Did
We
you want
good?
to do that again?
Huh?
Did you want to do that again? Okay.
Nah, do you?
I'm good.
That might be a clutch up, huh?
Yeah. I need to get my finger in the right spot.
Jesus Christ.
Oh god, I hit a spider in my... It went in my freaking helmet.
Well, I got up here.
You got one leg? Or
One wheel.
Wheel? Yeah. Alright, yep, power.
Woo!
That was good.
Slippery, mate.
Yep, I gotta do the thing. Ah, whiskey. Nope, the front wheel just pushed.
Yeah.
This is fun.
Woo! Holy shit. You good?
Yep.
All right, we just sending it out of here?
I'm down.
All right.
My bike is getting cold from the water.
Woo!
Oh my god, that got deep.
Watch out for the hole
Yeah,
here.
yep. The hole of doom.
Yeah.
My boy with the generator got kicked out of his campsite over here.
Damn.
I know. Follow me through the fun one. Oh god. Hello, ma'am. Look at this spot right here. That was fun. Do you want to do any of this shit over here and then head out?
Washington Street shit?
Yeah.
I'm not opposed, buddy guy.
Fuck.
I
Alright.
got time.
I can't turn it down. Hit this slowly.
Yep.
Oh, look at medium. I didn't even see this thing.
Oh, there you go, mate.
I'm just gonna send it.
Yep, yep,
Bye-bye.
yep. Oh, through here?
I don't know. I suppose so.
Fuck it, yeah.
Dude, look at these ruts. I'm gonna crawl them. Oh god.
Pretty fucking deep.
Wow, this is a fucking disaster.
Woo!
I hate this shit.
Yeah, some shit back here, but
It's unfortunate.
dude, not gonna lie. Some of the shopping center lurks that we do back here might be more fun than like I ever thought it would be.
Dude, I've been telling people that for years and they just think I'm fucking dumb.
No, dude, it's so fun.
Like,
It's clowning.
Get yourself a fucking dirt bike. Like a dual sport, because it's slightly more difficult than a normal dirt bike. And just hoon behind the shopping centers on East Washington Street. Oh, I gotta hit the jump.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, no one thinks, all the dirt bike guys think I'm fucking crazy, but I can wake up, roll out of bed, and come fucking hit this shit hard, and have the time of my life.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck?
Woo!
This bike is much better just eating curbs slowly.
Dude, I fucking jumped on that one.
This is the creek, bro. Wild.
Yeah, this bridge over here would be sick to paint.
Alright, don't get clotheslined on the wires right here.
Yep.
Don't die.
Yep. Thank you, Saya. Nothing to see here, room place.
What are they gonna do?
I've seen two clowns back there hooting and hollering.
They can't touch me, I'm too fast.
Man. There used to be some insane graffiti pieces back here, dude.
Dude, in the railroad tracks you could access right here.
Yeah, man.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh fuck, never mind.
You're good, you're good.
I was gonna go up that and then off that ledge.
Yeah,
But
fuck
I
that.
kind of pussied out. That was a good one.
That was tight. You are being watched.
That's fine. I'm not trying to do anything illegal.
At least we're doing sick-ass stunts for the security, dude.
Make it right? I don't know, man. Like, kind of hard on things.
Oh, shit!
Did you just die?
No, I almost did though. Holy crap.
I damn near slid out as well.
Yeah, I gave it the beans around that corner too.
Mine just said battery level low. This is unfortunate.
Wouldn't be the first time ours cut out on us.
There's the 2 mile per hour stump jump.
Right.
Gotta roll up the pant legs. Oh my god, it's aggressive.
Yeah, I missed it. Kind of want to turn back though and do it. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's bad. Yep. Alright.
Dude, that TW looks like it was made for you, buddy.
Thanks, man. It's
The
just,
proportions just fit you, dude.
it's like stupid fun. Like, why should I ever get in a ditch like this? But I just feel confidently able to do so.
Sure. Oh, Christ. That's terrifying. We'll do it. You were about to go to the bull sesh, dude.
Yeah. Man, we connected this so you never have to touch the... Oh, God. That's a stop sign. I blew it. Don't die.
Holy Christ.
Did he live?
That guy's pissed. He's honking at you.
That's fine. He wants to talk. We can talk, but I'm just going to run away.
No, don't do it.
I know. I was going to act like we could talk, and I was going to run away. Oh, my God.
Right. Nice.
Ah.
So fun.
Jesus, I fucked up too. I followed you.
Dude. I could hear it in your headset, just clank. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my god, that was... This does. Yep. She'll do that.
That was slicker than shit.
Yeah.
This is a good spot for turnarounds, though. This way, I think.
Great minds think alike, Mac.
Yep.